Hi guys, Carolyn here with a thing or two. Hey, I wanted to come on and do an unboxing. This is a bag that I ordered. It's from Keeks designer handbags in Plano, Texas. So they're secondhand designer bags. I fell in love with a Gucci bag that I just couldn't find in my price range. The two that I found on Poshmark were still well over $1,000, and that's just not something I can spend on a handbag. So anyway, I started shopping around and I did find the one that I liked at Keeks for under $1,000. And I wanted to do an unboxing here because I looked for an unboxing video with someone who had ordered from Keeks and I couldn't find one. So I thought I would do one so that you guys would know how they come and what your expectations can be. This was listed as, it's a Gucci TN collection, wallet on a chain, and it's from, I think, 2016. I just fell in love with the collection. It's kind of like similar to the Blooms collection, but it has more oriental flowers, and I think it has like a hummingbird and things in it. But anyway, it's a fun collection, and they're just kind of sought after right now. I'd like to get a backpack too, but they're pretty spendy. So anyway, let's get to it. So it did come in a timely fashion. I live in Alaska. It was shipped UPS ground, but it still got here within just about 4 days time, which was nice. Typically when someone ships UPS ground to Alaska, it takes quite some time. So anyway, I was actually impressed that I did get it on the date that they said I would get it on. I think it was shipped on Monday, and today is Friday. So let's see what we have here. I'm careful opening the box so that I don't cut anything. Okay, so first impressions. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Packing. Nice. Here is my receipt. And also the bags at Keeks are certified authentic, which is nice. I'm always a little leery to order from some places that I haven't ordered from before. I know Poshmark usually does a pretty good job in authenticating, and the Real also does a good job. They're a legitimate site. And then Keeks, I guess, is well known for their authentication as well. I'm pretty excited. Let's see. Okay, so that's what the rest of the box looks like. So here is my wallet. I have literally been waiting for this. I'm so excited. So I wanted to do this so that way if anyone else is on the fence about shopping at Keeks, you've got this video to look at. And I'm a pretty discerning shopper. I mean, I don't buy a lot of luxury items just because I'm just a more frugal gal. But this actually I'm considering as an investment because the ones online are selling for this much and more. So I know that I will get my use out of it, and then when I'm done, then I can resell it and I can make my money back and move on to the next bag that's catching my eye. So here we go. Oh, and it does come in a Keeks dust bag. It did say on the listing that it did not come in original dust bag or box, but it does come in their dust bag. So that's nice. Some of their bags do come with the original packaging, so that's good to know. So let's see. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look, that's exactly what I wanted. It's got the beautiful red trim. It looks like just like it did on the website. I just love it. Look at that. I'm a happy girl here. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So it was listed as in very good condition, and it is, as far as I'm concerned, it's like new. So I'm pretty happy with that. You can see the interior, it's got the chain tucked in. And I also have a short chain that I will attach to this probably as well to use it as a wristlet. Anyway, I am super excited. The chain was listed as in good condition as well. I'm super happy. So there you go. There's my unboxing with my Keeks purchase. It's Keeks designer handbags, and they're in Plano, Texas. I live in Alaska, so if that tells you anything, you can trust them. So anyway, there's my purchase. Thank you, Keeks. I will be back. I'm super happy. And this was Carolyn from A Thing or Two.